Today's topic, we're going to talk about those pesky trip hazards and what we can do to remove them. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today's topic, we're going to talk about those pesky trip hazards and what we can do to remove them. Well, there's really three options that we can do to remove trip hazards. One is you can remove and replace the entire sidewalk slab or the slab in general and re-pour a new one. This is often more costly, you have a lot more downtime, and it's just an inconvenience for use of that area. The second way is if you can grind a misaligned joint or crack. Doing this is a quick method. It's usually pretty cheap, but it makes your concrete look like garbage. It brings all the larger stone and rock within the concrete, exposes it where you don't have that top layer to make it look pretty anymore, and it sticks out like a sore thumb. But it does correct the trip hazard problem for now. The third way is to do a polyurethane injection. That's what method that we use primarily, mainly because we don't scarify the concrete in grinding, exposing all the aggregate. It's a quick method. You can utilize the area right away again. It also densifies the soils below it a little bit as you do the compression and before that concrete actually pops back up and relevels itself. So our method that we prefer is going to always be polyurethane concrete raising for trip hazards. And that is your foundation repair tip of the day.